Doing a screenshot is really easy, but there's also some advances when it comes to using screenshots nowadays than before. So I'm going to show you the basics on how to do a screenshot, and then I'm going to show you the really cool stuff as well. So I'm going to double click on this photo as just the example. I'm going to left double click, which opens up this nice, beautiful photo. Let's say for some reason I wanted to capture a screenshot of this as opposed to save the photo. Don't worry about it, but this works no matter if it's a photo, a text, anything. So all I need to do to screenshot a particular area of your screen is hold down Shift. Normally I use my pinky finger. Hold down Command on your Mac with your thumb, and then with your index finger, tap the number 4. And then you'll see this sort of bullseye thing shows up. Now what you want to do is you want to go to a corner of the image. So I'm going to go up into this corner and I'm going to left click and hold on that corner and then use my finger to drag, and you can see you can snapshot any section. So I'm still holding, I haven't let go yet. So I'm holding down with one finger and I'm dragging with the other finger. And when I get the image I want, let's say I just want this much, I'm going to let go my trackpad where I was holding down, and the image comes on up. There you go. That's the screenshot. Now, if you wanted to do the entire screen, all you have to do, you don't have to click anywhere. You just got to make sure you're on the screen you're on. I'm actually using two screens, so you're going to see two images come up. I'm going to hold down Shift again with my pinky finger, hold down Command with my thumb, and I'm going to tap, instead of number 4, it'll be number 3. And there you go. So I can double click here and you can see my entire screen, even the areas I'm not actually screen recording, have shown up. And the other screen that I actually have as well, that showed up as well. And that's how you do it. Now, here's the other thing you can do. So that's that. I'm just going to delete these. Now, let's say you wanted to copy text from an image or online or an image that somebody gives you. So let's say, for example, somebody sends you a recipe for muffins, and this is just a recipe that I found online. Now, let's say I wanted these ingredients, but I wanted to copy them. Now, yes, you can just left click and hold in front of the first letter and drag your mouse down and then copy by holding down Command and then tapping C. But let's just say this comes to you as an image. So I'm actually going to screenshot this, just this part. So again, hold down Shift, hold down Command, and tap 4 to do an area. I'm going to go up into a corner where I know it's safe because I'm not going to miss the ingredients or the information. I'm going to left click and hold on my trackpad or mouse, and then I'm going to use my next finger or use the mouse and move it down so I've got the entire thing screenshot. Now I'm just going to let go. Now let's close this. And you see you've got the ingredients here. So now you can text it, you can email it, you can send it. But let's say somebody sent this to you. Now, because of Mac's amazing AI and geniuses and technology, you can actually just copy from an image. So if you ever see text in an image like this, you can still move your cursor. You could see that it's got to become a line with a kind of floor and a ceiling to it. You got to move it close to the letter. Once it changes from across to this, you want to left click and hold, and then move your mouse around to highlight everything. Once it's all highlighted, you can let go. Don't click anywhere. You want to hold down the Command button and tap C, and then that should copy the information. And I'll actually just open up Text Editor just so you can see that it was copied. And I'm going to hold down Command and tap V for paste. And there you go. There's all the information. So you can also paste this in an email, paste it in a text if you don't want to send the image. And there you go. That's how to do every version of a screenshot on a Mac. Make sure you like and subscribe. Your likes and subscribes go a long way to me growing this channel.